Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about background and background key and tag base. How we can able to run these two things. What is a background and what is a tag base running? Okay, background is nothing but in a future file if your repeated steps are presented in a starting time, those things we can able to keep it inside the background. The background will execute for each scenario execution time. Okay, tag base is nothing but is a large number of test cases you have, but you have to specific test case you have to run in your system, not completely, and you have to run for specific scenario. Then you can use for tag base. The tag base it will execute for that particular scenario itself. It will not execute for remaining things when it will help to you in a real time, like whenever you want to execute for more than 100 or something before release, you need to do some sanity testing or smoke testing, and you want that time what happen, you need to choose a specific scenarios to execute before that, right? That moment if you specify sanity or smoke something which is the tag you want, and that particular tag if you provided in a command line execution, then it will execute for that particular scenario. What are the things we can able to keep it? Those things only. Okay, background is nothing but only specific scenarios before each scenario execution. I can show you here. You can see open browser is every two scenario locations are there. Scenario and scenario outline, both the locations it is presented. If you keep this line into a background location, and here you can not required for normal location, background and the scenario. Okay, now it is not required for in down. Here also it is not required. It will execute for every time. It will execute every time. Means each scenario location, this background will work only in a specific location. Means specific future file. It will not work for remaining places. It will work for only one location. Okay, and now I'm going to make it here. I will execute this particular feature file. It will work for two locations. Okay, means the background location I keep that open browser. Okay, in that thing it will open for two scenarios location. Both the cases it will work, and after that we'll run for tag based running. These are some very small topics, and I'm going to explain here. See all the classes executed perfectly without any issue. Okay, now tag based. If I'm going to specify here at the rate sanity, okay, and here at the rate I'm going to regression. Okay, these are my two tags, and I'm going to make it here the future file itself a smoke. Okay, if I run the smoke, it need to execute for two scenarios. If I want to pass for sanity, it need to work for only one particular scenario. Regression means only one scenario. Okay, this is the case. Then I specify the tag now. Maybe you'll get for another question. You used only one particular feature, whether it will work for another feature file as well. Yes, it will work for you. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, if you specify that sanity, definitely it will work for any place. Not only the sanity, any tag name, any feature file, any location. Okay, just I'm going to dragging here. I'm going to use it another one particular thing after WDIO, just one space hyphen hyphen cucumber ops dot tag expression. Tag expression equal to a single quotation at the rate sanity, which is the name you provided exactly you have to provide. If you small things also it is you not provided properly, it will not give you the result. Okay, this is the thing. Cucumber O is capital, tag is T is small, expression E is capital. Okay, now I'm making for enter here. Now it will execute only for one scenario. It will not execute for two scenarios. See, now only one particular scenario executed. Only one scenario. If I specify for again sanity, it will execute for complete future file. If I make it for regression, it will execute for only one. Okay, this is a tag based running. Any tag you can able to run. We have another command. It is like and if you specify and both the cases it should be match, means anything the tag should be presented for both the places. Means if I mentioned here again another tag space another tag, then it will both the tags are matching, and the same tag if I specify here at the rate regression, if both the tags are matched then only it will execute. If both the tags are not presented then it will not execute, like that. Okay, now see both the cases are matched, that's why it is running for sanity. Okay, like this we can able to do it for our tag based running. Okay, this is a one simple concept for background and tag base. Okay, there's a final video about it, and we'll discuss for next playlist with WebDriverIO API testing. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.